Hey guys, I just came back from a hike and my pants are really dreadful. They got a bunch of these spiky things on them, not thorns, but spiky parts of plants. Now, I have a bunch of them, so it'll be a forever process of picking them out and stuff. So, instead, I'm going to use friction and I'm just going to rub them really hard. Now, the benefit is it gives you palm conditioning, which is better grip, and it cleans your pants really quickly. So here's, in a matter of 20 seconds, how well it went with here. Just rub here, and then just rub as hard as you can. Now, it will hurt your hand, but it gives you pretty good palm conditioning. And you really want to apply a lot of pressure. Now, the goal is to apply as much pressure as possible. When you apply a lot of pressure, they come off a lot easily. There we go. Here it is in a matter of 20 seconds. I've got most of them off. These are some deep ones that I have to manually pick out, but it's a lot better than doing nothing. It's a lot better than doing all of them. Well, there we go. It's a quick tip. Hope you guys use it. I'm sure all of us have been at this situation before. See you guys, and have a great day.